As a transfer driver, it is important to keep your passengers informed about any new promotions for transfers that you may be offering. Writing emails to passengers about these topics can be a great way to keep them in the loop and encourage them to take advantage of your services. Here are some tips on how to write effective emails to passengers about promos and new transfers. Start with a friendly greeting. Begin your email with a friendly greeting that will make the passenger feel welcome and appreciated. This will help create a positive impression and encourage them to read the rest of your message. Provide clear information. Make sure to provide clear and concise information about the promotion for transfer that you are offering. Include details such as the duration of the promotion, any discounts or special offers, and any other relevant information. Use a call to action. Encourage the passenger to take advantage of your offer by including a call to action at the end of your email. This could be something like, "Book now to take advantage of this great offer," or "Sign up today to get started." Include contact information. Make sure to include your contact information at the end of the email so that passengers can easily get in touch with you if they have any questions or need more information. By following these tips, you can ensure that your emails to passengers about promos and new transfers are effective and informative. This will help you to keep your passengers informed and encourage them to take advantage of your services. We have prepared a pleasant bonus for you to create a great heading for your emails if you want them to be opened, read, and responded to. Find the information under this video. Scan the QR code or click the link in the video description to become a GetTransfer.com driver and start your own business today.